Yes, well, this is a recovering process of 404. I'm recovering about 14 pounds of 404, from this system. I'm planning on changing the motor for the condenser, re-oiling the compressor, removing re-oil, pour out, re-oiling, yes, and changing the contactor, changing the delay relay, and also the time clock, and changing, the filter dryer. As I go on, I'll give you updates of the system. And this is GTM Refrigeration, your cold room specialist.